Okay folks, we're about to take off a bell housing of a transmission here, and these bolts tend to be very stuck and over torqued, so you know it's a bitch to get out. So we came with a solution to heat up the bolts. Those said we shouldn't, but you know we've already untorqued two by doing this, so we're gonna go ahead and try and heat up this other one here just to show you of how easy it really is. And
what we have here is an acetylene torch, the yellow bottle, and this tends to be a little hotter than just a standard propane. And we're just going to heat this up for about 30 seconds. Now forget that, about 2 minutes, heat it evenly, and that Torx should come right out.
The past 2 days we've been lubricating and these bolts will not budge.
And we don't want to strip them or have to buy any more T50 Torx sockets. We're going to go ahead and give it a shot now. And see, that's just starting to move.
See that?
And what we're going to do is we're just going to leave it to cool down, and then remove the rest later. Thank you.